If you want to create more cinematic edits, smoother transitions, or eye-catching visual effects, learning how to use blending modes in CapCut is a game changer. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up your layers, select your overlay clip, and choose the right blending mode so you can instantly change the look of your video. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Once your project is open, import your base video, which is the background clip you want to build on. This could be a talking head clip, a landscape shot, a B-roll scene, or any video you want to enhance. Place that clip on the main timeline first, because this will act as the foundation for your edit. Now, import a second video or an image and place it on top of the first clip. This is what creates your overlay layer. Blending modes work best when you have two visual layers interacting with each other. So think of the top clip as the affected layer and the bottom clip as your base layer. You can use this for light leaks, texture overlays, double exposure looks, cinematic color effects, or just more creative visual styling. Once both clips are on the timeline, select the overlay clip. On mobile or desktop, make sure you tap or click the clip that sits on the upper track, not the base clip underneath. This is important because the blending options will apply to the selected top layer. When you click the clip, CapCut will open the editing menu for that layer. If you're using CapCut on PC, look over to the right side panel and find the video section, then open the basic tab. Inside that menu, you should see the blend option. Click on it and CapCut will show you a list of blending modes you can choose from. If you're using mobile, the layout may look a little different, but the idea is the same. Select the upper clip, find the blend or blending setting, and open the mode options. Now comes the fun part, choosing your blending mode. You'll usually see options like screen, multiply, totai, overlay, and sometimes a few others depending on your version of CapCut. Each one creates a different effect, so it helps to understand what they do. Screen is great for removing black backgrounds and making light elements pop. Multiply is useful when you want darker areas to blend naturally with the clip below. Overlay gives you a stronger contrast effect and can add dramatic texture or color to your edit. The best way to find the right mode is to try a few and preview the result. Click a mode, watch how the top layer reacts with the base clip, and see how the image changes. Some blending modes will make your edit look brighter and more vibrant, while others will create a moody, darker style. If the effect looks too intense, you can usually adjust the opacity of the overlay clip to make it softer and more balanced. This is where blending modes really become powerful because you're not just stacking clips anymore, you're combining them visually. That means you can create pro-looking edits even with simple footage or images. For example, you can place a texture over a video to make it feel more cinematic, or use a colored light overlay to make a scene feel warmer or more stylized. As you experiment, always preview your timeline from the beginning so you can see the blend effect in motion. Some modes look great on a still frame, but even better once the video starts playing. If needed, trim the overlay clip so it lines up with the exact part of the video you want to enhance. You can also duplicate overlays and test different modes for different sections of your edit. A quick tip: if you want a cleaner result, use overlays with simple backgrounds, strong contrast, or bright highlights. Those types of clips usually blend more predictably and give you better visual control. If your overlay has too much detail or the effect feels messy, lower the opacity or try a different blend mode until it fits your style. So to recap, the process is simple. Open CapCut, add your base video, place your overlay on top, select the upper clip, go to the blend option in the video basic settings on PC, and choose the mode that matches the look you want. Once you understand how blending modes work, you can use them in so many creative ways to make your edits stand out. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.